sheltering in place.
I was just in the command post.
Yeah.
654.
My strike team, we're gonna go get out the artist and Jason Aldean and all them. Okay. What I need you to do is just provide me cover that way. Okay? Where is he? He's in the bus. I already know. I talked to them on the phone myself. I just need you to stay here. Those 4 officers, we're going to take them to the back Nashville tent.
Which route? You're just going to run straight?
He's going to go straight across, okay? Now realize you have to go to the right. You can't go this way. I know. So just hang right here. We're going to get him out, okay? Where is this bus at? Hey, was there anybody hit on the car? No. Yeah, everybody's cool. Everybody's cool. No. Okay. No, I checked already. I've been on both buses already, earlier when it all started. I don't think there's any medical. I'll let you guys know as we're coming back, and you guys can take up.
Let us know when we come back so we can provide cover.
All right, guys. Let's go.
It's going to be,
what's your step?
Here, just confirming the valet, or what was the entrance they went in?
Hey, let's wait for them to come back, and then we'll go from there. We're covered right here. We're good right now. Can somebody hop back and?
Yo. What do you need? Some water. We're going with you.
You guys want to stay here? Let's go. We got him. Let's go. Watch your step. Watch your step.
High ground to advise no more.
Just bring them to us.
As we egress with them, you bring up the rear.
Okay. All right, so.
Done.
We don't need anybody back there, guys.
Yeah. We're going to stay here. As they come, we're going to egress rear. 2 guys, long guns. I'll take one. You take one.
I just had a shoddy.
Okay, me and James, we're going to have rear. It's got to be full, though. We're going to be walking backwards.
Easy does it. We can't be fucking full sprint and tripping over shit.
No. Anybody want to throw me? I'm taking a dock with you out here.
All right, just.
You egress with the team.
Egress with us, man. Egress with us.
They're east on top, east of the boulevard, traffic.
Well, we're going to be a shelter in place right now.
Okay, if they want to stay, then they can stay.
Yeah.
What's up, Sarge?
Well, let's not leave. Did you guys get direction to come over here?
Yeah, from SC4.
Yeah. But we got too much guys here. We need to get out of here and go do something.
Yeah.
Let's go you guys somewhere else. Yeah, you guys go. They need a strike team in South Central. They need a 6-man strike team. We're sheltering. None of these people on the bus want to leave right now. There's nowhere good for them to go anyway. Yeah. We're not going to be able to drive the bus out
just said that he talked to Jason and all these people. They want to go.
Traffic closed
That's
off
why
at Harmon.
I'm talking to them.
Okay, all right.
Thank you guys.
Yep.
Vehicle westbound Harmon to the boulevard.
Get out okay? Who? The fire.
No, they're still back there.
Control 374 and FD South. FD reporting fires at Mandalay Bay. Confirmed. FD a bunch of set fires right down there. There's a 20. The fire alarms ran off on our trail for the explosive breach runoff break. We're also moving this room. That's good. And my team is going to go downstairs so we need to report. So we got multiple civilians. They're going to be inside the Concord conference room. That's an officer going to the surveillance room in the Paris Hotel Casino.
Hey, let's get.
He's got a guy.
He has a gun?
He's pushing. That guy's not. He wasn't cooperating.
Let's get the fuck out of here, guys.
We have an available unit to head over to T-Mobile, their command post. They have cameras that cover a lot of the area around Mandalay Bay and Caliber.
Yeah, let's get the fuck out of here before the fucking bomb goes off.
You guys want Red Bulls or waters?
Water. Well, yeah. Water.
Yellow or blue, red or water.
Water. My jug right now going out.
We have 3 armored cars that Las Vegas Boulevard. They're not affiliated with law enforcement, but the sergeant called them from Battlefield, Las Vegas.
Let me make sure my fucking girl's up there.
Is she here?
Yeah. She called me screaming before it came out. I said, just run. I'm like, just fucking run. Run as far as you can.
Control 105. I'm going to go ahead and get out. Mandalay Commander. He has no problem with that.
There was one officer hit too, right?
At least. He was shot.
Okay.
Yeah, I heard a neck too.
I heard shoulder, so apparently we're all wrong.
We got multiple.
Like to construct the plate. What's your line? Actually, I think you very pulled up on that on the right side out and ran northbound.
All right, are you guys getting the fuck out of here or what?
Control 51, the person described as wearing a dark shirt with a leg holster.
Who's this guy?
They're with. They were here. They're with LA City Fire. They cleared it.
Fuck, dude. I was here on Friday.
North 44 X-ray, Lincoln Mary. This is at 7 minutes now. You just ran into our PR.
You have to watch all these high rises.
674 George Charlie. I've got a 5-man element now just north of the Luxor off the Holland.
Yeah, we're clear. Let's go. Let's get back to the CP and do something.
Spread out.
We need RCF to go into Mandalay Bay. We have a warm zone.
That plate comes back negative on the 084 pick up with Tina Brown. 282 Barletta. Unit supervisor, the victim was a
Manager of the Blige.
Unit supervisor, the female with a gunshot wound to the head at Thompson.
Control 6 from the subject also had a time.
It's all clear.
Hey!
Control Mary 64.
Hey, baby. Hey. Hey, just get off the strip, okay? Where? Okay. Do not leave that hotel room, all right? Just stay right there. Do not leave.
Control 701.
I'm at Route 91 right now. Okay. Yeah. Just. Well, there's multiple at multiple casinos, so just stay in your room. Just. Yeah, just lock this door and just stay there. What room number are you at?
It's been broadcast.
Okay. Just stay there. Do not leave for any reason, unless it's a cop or just it's a cop, all right? All right. Bye.
Let's take down. Unit of medical attempting to get you from 327 Mandalay Bay.
On floor 3, clear.
What's going on over here?
On 20, 335 Gambro. Can you please call myself? Control 184, please.
All right, we need to stick together, though. We need individuals not going to be able to do it.
Corner of Massacre Boulevard on the west side.
Where's all the metro at?
They don't know what he's doing.
Also the advisor, Danville, inside, it's on the change closed, actually 425. Saying now it's a STAR protocol on that.
Where's your car at, Ken? Where's your car at?
It's always apartment 0316 Danville.
Convict? Yeah. Dude, I feel useless. We need to do something, man. Let's fucking. My car's back at Corval. Do you have a Crown Vic or an SUV? Crown Vic. Okay.
That is fine.
Let's get a strike team together and do something.
Yeah, I'll send it to you. We're going to need one course. Is there any units still at the church?
Hey, let's get 4 officers. Get to my SUV on Koval and let's do something.
We got to figure out what we want to do, dude. We don't want to fucking do the wrong thing.
Let's go to another hotel. They have a gunshot wound victim at Tropicana. So
They have an element there, though.
yeah. Fuck, man.
Until 6x4, shot's always clear. We're getting until there's possibly a white male in a black t-shirt with a long rifle, or right glove, and there he's clearing people out. He may be the one causing all this panic.
Apologize because
What was their last broadcast as far as the male in the rifle? Where was your last team? Last seen a shot though, probably not about 20 minutes ago.